marketing for Wellborn Cabinet, and we're here today to talk about Heirloom Quality. As you can see from this marketing piece here, talking about the Wellborn Quality, Wellborn puts a lot in our product. I have with me here today Paul Wellborn, president of Wellborn, and we're going to hear from him about what really quality is and where it starts. So, Paul, in talking about it, tell us about where quality starts with Wellborn.
Well, to start with, we have our own dry kilns and sawmills. You have to start. Lumber driving is the most important thing that you do in your plant to start with. If you can saw your lumber, most anybody can saw it and saw it correctly. But when it comes to the drying process, you have to know and understand drying lumber, particularly hardwood lumber. I never went to school on this, but I've learned a lot through the process. I've been working with lumber ever since I was a small child, because my father was a builder and remodeler. And so I learned about the softwoods and things of that nature when I was very small. But as I came along and my brother and I started making kitchen cabinets, we learned a lot more about the hardwood aspect of it. And so it's so critical. The first thing is dry your lumber correctly. Then whenever you get into your plant, processing is critical. If you got to have good joinery, you have to have good machining, you got to make good sub-assemblies. After that point, of course, comes sanding. And I'm sure that anybody that's ever reworked an old cabinet or a dresser or something of that nature would understand that sanding is one of the most difficult hard work. You can put a lot of hard work into sanding and cleaning wood prior to finishing. So, but it is another critical area. You must sand well. In the furniture or cabinet manufacturing, you call it whitewood sanding. That's before you apply any finish. It takes a series of machines and certain grit belts to bring your lumber down to the fine grits that you need to where you do some follow-up hand sanding, and all the little small details on the edges, even in the panels or in all your shapes. You have to do a lot of detailed hand sanding there, because a machine cannot do this and make a real high quality product. So we have these combination lines that prior to finishing, we run down the lines and have a number of people doing all the detail work between each machine, each operation. And then the next step, it comes to finishing. And Angela may want to say a few things about our finish, the steps, the well guard finish we have, and then I'll be happy to go into